What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today is another episode of Bartending with Bones. Today we're doing up a twofer, people. We're going to make a drink and we're going to review a beer. The drink's name is called The French Connection. Not to be confused with the movie called French Connection starring Gene Hackman. Today's drink involves some cognac. Today we're using Hennessy. And some amaretto. We're using Di Serono. Let's begin. First you need a whiskey glass with some ice in it. Get you your cognac and pour out 1 ounce of it. Then grab your amaretto. Pour out 3/4 of an ounce. A little more, a little less. There you go. Swish it around real quick. Cheers, everybody. Just like that. Super simple, super easy. Tastes great. Got a lot of sweetness notes to it thanks to the amaretto. Cuts through the real punch of the cognac. Great drink to have after dinner. If you like what I'm doing, almost forgot. About to jump ahead. Special shout out beer. Go ahead and crack this open. This beer is called Barrel Aged Blood Red Sox. Rum Barrel Red Beer. This goes out to Paulie Detmer. My man was in the Navy, so that's why I picked a rum barrel aged beer. He don't really drink the hard stuff, but my man goes with beer sometimes. So, thought I'd go with a beer this time. Nice and dark. Got a real heavy smell to it. Cheers again, everybody. Oh yeah. This one's nice and smooth. You can definitely taste the rum barrel aged. The rum barrel. And the malt. Great drink. Great beer. Gonna have to go get more of these. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.